to now venture down the cricket road heading into the T20 World Cup, looking specifically at the chances of the West Indies of winning the whole thing. Now, first of all, kudos to Coach Darren Sammy. When he got the job, no one believed it was a good choice, including me. But quietly and methodically, Sammy has put together a group of potential champions. We heard the South African speaking after the just concluded series, talking about the conditions and how well the West Indies read those conditions and executed in those conditions. Now with the likes of Ruston Chase and Shea Hope complementing the battery of power hitters, the batting is strong. We know we're capable of brilliant fielding, with our weakest area being our bowling. And even then, we're seeing the emergence of the likes of Gudakesh Morty as a genuine match winner with some other functional pieces. I mean, no team is perfect, and we're not inflating our expectations. But I think the West Indies can win this World Cup. Yes. I'm not saying we're going to win it, or we are favorites, or even favored to win it. But they can. Indeed, the West Indies could, and they should, and they might win this World Cup.